Hello, Mr. Tompkins here, and today I want to do a video about teaching you a fantastic activity, which is how to create your very own superhero comic book strip. Let's go! Okay, this is an example of what your comic book strip could look like at the end. This is my one. I've done it about the Hulk. He lends his iPad to the wrong person. You guessed it, the Juggernaut. Doesn't end well. Next stage. Okay, this is the main page. If you click on the link that I'll put in the information, this is the website. What you need to click on now is create a comic strip. There is an option for create a comic book. That's something you can have a go once you've mastered the comic strip. So let's click on the comic strip. And just click OK when the box comes up. Now I have to choose your style. This is the style that I personally choose, but if you like something different, try it out. So I'm going to click this one. Click OK. And then we've got this background. And then I'll tell you what, especially things I'm going to be looking for next. What I am looking for, I'm looking for backgrounds. I want to see a background in each of those pictures. I want to see a hero and I want to see a baddie. Also, I want to see, can you incorporate objects? There's an objects tool bit there. I want to see if you can incorporate some of the objects into your story. Also, I want to see, can you use speech bubbles, speech marks to show which character is talking? Can you use normal text just so you can show the user what's happening with the story? Also, can you use sound pictures? These are down here in sound effects and they're fantastic. They're like things like pow, kablam, stuff like that that will make your comic book strips just pop out. And the final one is the trickiest one. Can you, once you've finished your comic book strip, are you able to present this to your friends or to your family? This is a great way to show your creativity and also boost your confidence skills. So they're the things that Mr. Tompkins is going to be looking for. Right guys, now I'm just going to talk through a little bit about how to use the software. So, first of all, you're probably going to click on backgrounds. And all you have to do is use the mouse to sort of drag and drop where you want your background. Okay, so drag and drop, pop that in there. These here are the tools down the side. Now the only thing that you might have a little bit of trouble with is when you go to put your character in and your type in, clicking on the T for type, when you click on the text, you might want your character to be in front of certain text, or you might want your text to be in front of your character in certain bits. Now to do this, you have to click on these two options here. One is a bring forward option and one is a send backwards option. So all you have to do is click on what you want to be in the foreground. So I want Beast here to be in the front. So I'm going to click bring forward. And now he's in front of one lot of text. I'm going to click bring forward again. He's now completely in front of all the text. So you can play around with that. If you need to delete anything, just go over to this tool where the X is and click on the X. Click on what you want to delete, like this. So if you want to get rid of Beast, click the X to delete him and he's gone. If you want him back, you can drag and drop him back. Also, I just want to show you about the text option, just so you know. Click on the text. So this is the pointer tool. Anything you've got when you've selected this tool means you're going to select that item. So I've selected the text. I'm then going to select the T from the tool. Click on the text. I can then type anything I want. And this part here, I can click on change the font of the text, change the size, change the colour, change how I want the alignment here. So if I want really big text, I might want to come down here. That's too big. Too silly, Mr. Tompkins, stop it. So we'll go 24 point and we'll change it to a nice bright pink writing. So there you have it. These are some of the other tools that you can use. Other than that, have a go, explore. So there you have it, how to create your very own comic strip. Hope you've enjoyed the video. Let me know if I've missed anything out in the comments, and let me know how you get on. I've been Mr. Tompkins, thank you ever so much for listening, and I'll see you on the next video.